Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video I'm sharing with you this amazing goat meat spinach sauce that looks so great, healthy and tasted so heavily. You will keep asking for more after trying out this recipe. So guys, keep watching and let's get started. To begin, I'm going to start by cooking the meat. Use any protein of your choice. I'm using goat meat, properly clean. Now season with some onions, season cube, salt, oregano, thyme, rosemary, ginger and garlic paste. Stir this around and allow to steam for 15 minutes. Without adding any water to it. 15 minutes later, top it up with some water and continue cooking until it is well cooked or 80% done. Looking at it here, the meat is done. Set it aside. Now I'm going ahead to blanch some of the spinach by washing them. So I washed it properly for like 3 times and also picking out the bad ones out. Once done, place your spinach into a strainer to drain out the water out. Then go ahead and transfer to a large pot and cover it and let it wait for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes now, drain out the water. Run some tap water on it to stop the cooking process. Go ahead and squeeze out the water from the spinach using your hands to get rid of excess water so you don't end up with watering sauce, okay? Go ahead to cut into pieces or as you desired. Once that is done, set it aside. Next, in a clean and dry pot, add some vegetable oil and let it heat up. Once that is done heating up, add in some salt, some chopped onions and stir fry for like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add some roughly blended red bell pepper. Stir it around and keep frying until it reduces in quantity or oil flow to the top of the sauce. For this recipe, we are not using tomatoes. Now go ahead and season with some curry powder, nutmeg powder, some seasoning cubes, ginger and garlic paste, crayfish, fresh pepper adjust to your taste, stir to combine. Pour in the cooked meat and stir to combine. Once that is done, keep stirring for like 2 more minutes. You can see how it looks, right? So beautiful. Now go ahead and add in the vegetables. So I'll be using scent leaf, spinach. Mix everything until it is well combined. Once that is done, cover the pot and let it simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. Two minutes now. Give it a stir and it is done. Ready to be served. Enjoy with white rice, yam, spaghetti, or in whichever way you prefer yours. Tasted super delicious, yummylicious, and healthy as well. Try out this recipe and you will never stop asking for more, honestly. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow the page, like, share, and comment, and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next one. And remain blessed. Bye-bye.